What does it take to store a suitcase? It's a lot of effort. Suitcases take a lot of space in our closets, and they're stored away for most of the time. At LITO, we help travelers save space. We create minimalistic products to help travelers optimize space in their homes and lives. Pack big, store small with LITO.
Hi, I'm Marco, and I created LITO while struggling with personal space working from home during the past year. My suitcases were all over my studio and I could never find the right place for them. LITO is the foldable suitcase that helps you save storage space, helping you get the most out of your closet while keeping your home organized.
LITO is sustainable. LITO's shell is 100% recycled. Every luggage made out of 50 plastic bottles.
Our ambition is to become carbon neutral by 2024.
LITO is durable. We developed LITO's unique folding mechanism to be durable, lightweight, and simple to use, thanks to its internal folding panels. Ride smoothly thanks to the 4 360 degrees wheels designed to resist impact. LITO is spacious. We designed LITO to be slim yet spacious, optimizing available space in everything we do. LITO is accessible. Struggling to access your items while traveling? Thanks to the wide front pocket, LITO fits up to 15.6 inches laptops. Improve not only your travel, but also your stay with LITO. Are you ready to save space?